Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper. And now you can pick some graphical wallpaper, you can choose some picture from your gallery. Then you've got also color wallpaper or some picture from wallpaper services. So just choose the one that you like. I will go with graphical wallpapers. Pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with and click on next then. So this is how it will look on both home and lock screen. Then tap on done. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is applied on both home and also lock screen of your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.